All right, guys, this is a 1955 Buick Special Riviera hardtop two-door. Oh yeah, the 46R. This thing is in really good shape. The V8, it is definitely runs well. 3-speed automatic transmission. It's got all the good coolers and upgrades. Factory, that is what is crazy about it. They definitely, so that is your brake system right there. It does have your power brakes. This is coming off just a little bit, but that's just the boot cover there. Not a big issue whatsoever. It does have chambered exhaust, but what I really like is how well and intact this metal is. This metal's in great shape. Does have some new shocks here in the rear. Rear diff has been gone through. Fuel tank's been gone through. This thing just rides out really well, especially the sound with that dual exhaust. It is just awesome. It really is. You will want to check out the exterior on this. It is in such good shape. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I'm going to bring this brand new addition. This is a 1955 Buick Riviera. It's got the whole hardtop going on with it. It is just done in this beautiful black, and it is mirror-like. There's a few little things here and there on it, but it is mostly perfect. This thing just drives like a dream. What we're going to do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned. Yeah, this thing is just a beauty out here in the sun. Paint was done really well. You saw the undercarriage. But what I just really like about this is just that deep black paint on here. It looks so good. Just see through there. There's really not a lot or hardly any imperfections going on with this thing. It is just in amazing shape. Glass is in really good shape. I don't see any type of big rock chips. I'm sure there's something on there because it has been drove, but this thing's been fully restored. There is a little bit of orange peel that I can see there on the top, but not major at all. You could definitely wet sand that out if you wanted to. And just going back through here, everything is in really good shape. There is a little bit of a scratch here in the back window right there, but you can just see that paint is just such mirror-like. It's in such good shape. You know, there's a little couple things going on, but nothing major whatsoever. They did a really good job with the restoration. There we do have a little bit right there. There's a little bit right there. Coker white walls, those are all in good shape. They got good tread. They are maybe a little bit older, but look at that. That's just all the way down. That thing is in amazing shape. Trim's in good shape. There are a couple little scratches throughout. Nothing crazy, nothing major. A little bit of dripping right there with the paint. Again, Buick hubcaps. Good tread on the tires. Nice sound to it. And that trim is really nice and bright. I really like that. Getting down in all those panels. See nice depth to it. And hubcaps, you know, they're not perfect by any means, but they look actually original. I really like that. Tread depth is nice. This is the Riviera, so it's got the hardtop. It's the 46. Take a look under here in the engine compartment. It actually runs really well. There's some radiator. Got all the chrome valve covers. Runs out really well. I'll take this thing on a drive. Really excited to show you guys how well this one drives. And then coming in, we got the red and black interior. Door panels are in good shape. A few little things with it. I don't know what that is. Looks like, yeah, and it's coming off. Carpet's in good shape. It's coming out there. A little bit more vinyl right underneath there, but these seats are in good shape. I like the fact that they are the original kind of panel there, but obviously the vinyl's been replaced. In good shape. Back seat is also in really good shape. Headliner's in good shape. Looks like that. Don't know if that is. Yeah, there you go. See if that shuts off. I don't know. Something a little funky going on with that. But all the gauges do work. We are almost on E. Temperature's holding strong there. Oil pressure. We'll check the speedometer when we're driving. Let's get in the trunk. Door shuts really well. Looks like right up here. So that little, it is missing that piece that comes in, and it looks like just it's kind of pushed that out just a little bit there, but that spring that pulls that in. But we'll get here into the trunk. Got a couple extra pieces there. Don't know exactly what those are for. It says it's for the door panel, but not sure. Got a spare tire. That metal's in good shape. I really like the fact that metal is in really good shape there. They got it all glued, but really nice and solid with that. Shuts really well. Come along over here, passenger side, and that's what, see, this springs up, and so that little piece in there is what is missing. But door panel again's in good shape. Dash is in good shape. Body by Fisher there. It's a little loose. Looks like that's coming off just a little bit and get screwed in. Carpet again is in good shape. One in the back seat. All that's in really good shape. Let's try the windows. Oh yeah, that goes up really nice and smooth. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice for that. Let's try this side. Yeah. Yeah, that goes up and down really nice. Looks like it is off a little bit there. I don't know if that needs to come up more. There we go. That's a lot better there. Let's go. I know this is going to be off just a little bit with this top piece. See right there. So I don't know if that, like it's missing something to kind of keep that in. There we go, that goes up and down really nice. And so does that. Fitting it there, if that spring worked in there, that'd be perfect. That's the way that you want it. Yeah. Again, it looks like it's got everything there. It just needs to have a little pin to go in there. Huh. I'll check and see if I can find one. Let's get this thing fired up. So this is your off, on, and then right here is going to be for your start. That thing fires right up. Loaded. Yeah, got a little bent going on there. All right. No seat belts. 1955. We got horn works and they were moving for a second. Brakes are a little spongy, that's for sure, like the vacuum. Huh. All the lights, these do work. We got summer. Vent. All that. Auxiliary, summer, fans. Yeah, it's a warm one today. So it doesn't appear that those are working. Yeah, those. The brakes are nice and good, other than, I don't know. Check and see. Looks like turn signals are not working. Feel it in there, but it's not turning anything on. Check those brakes. Yeah, those brakes are really good, actually. It's a warm one today. It's about 95 degrees, so yeah, so no turn signals and no wipers. some noise going on, but it looks like that's the ventilation. So yeah, that must be from up there with that. Other than that, this thing actually rides out really good. Those brakes, I was worried about those brakes, but they're actually pretty good. Speedometer works. I like that. Brakes work. I mean, everything's actually pretty good. It's definitely a cruiser. It's nothing crazy fast, but overall, this thing actually runs out really, really well. Just like always, you go online, there's more than 250 photos, online financing, and nationwide transport directly to your driveway. ClassicCarAddict.com. Yeah, get that hydromatic to kick in. Woo! Oh yeah. See you guys on the next one.